To write our code throughout this project, we need a code editor. So there are many code editors out there. Most of them are free. Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular code editors. It is also completely free. We also got Atom, Bracket, even the Notepad++ will work just fine. So if you have an preferred code editor, it will do, but in this course, throughout this course, I am going to use Visual Studio Code. This is my favorite code editor, and if you go to the visualstudio.microsoft.com, you will get it. So we need this second one, not the first one and not this one. So in here you can download the version preferred for you. If you are a user of Windows, you can install it, or if you are Mac user, you need to install this one also. It got some other version for Linux. So just get there and download the preferred version and you can install it. After installation, we need to do some works. So I am going to close it, and this is our Visual Studio Code. After opening it for the first time, you will get this welcome message. Now we need to do some modifications. Actually, we don't need to do it. It is not compulsory, but I have used this modification. So if you are just want to go along with me, then I think it will be better for you to install these things. So in here, this is the extension manager, and here we can install our extensions. There are several extensions I am using. Let's first install the compulsory one, which is the live server. If we search for live server, this is the first one. The developer's name is Ritik De. If you click it, we can get a install button here, but I have already installed it. What it does is actually it makes us to be able to see the effect at live by an Google Chrome, or it also works with the Firefox or any other browser. And we are going to see it later, but let's for now just install it. And for the theme, I am using a theme named, I think it's Nod. Actually it's the Night Owl, the italic version. So if you want to install it also to just make the look similar as mine, you can search here at this extension manager. So it is the Night Owl, and this is the one I have installed it. And if you go to this cog wheel and click it, you will get the color theme. Now you can select your preferable theme. The default one is this light, or here there should be a dark. Yes, it is dark Visual Studio. This is the default theme. Now if you want to change that, you can do that. Just select the theme you want to use. Like here I need to use this Night Owl, and I'm just going to click it, and it is selected. We cannot say anything because we don't have any codes, but later we are going to get into that.